This will be the elevator at Boscov's Exton Square Mall, Exton, Pennsylvania. We have a Schindler 321A from 1999. This Boscov's is a cool one. It's got like neon and everything. Hey. Here it is. It's probably gonna be like the one at Clearview. The store just got silent all of a sudden. Chimes muted. Oh, nope, it's just faint. Yep, September 90, or March of 99. All right, go to 2. That's an epic motor. We're taking this for a second round trip. Very quiet chime. As we know with Schindler, door close does not work. This is nearly identical to the one at Clearview. 2,100 pound capacity. Your standard HT fixtures. No fire service in this one. I'm gonna close the door so we can hear the motor. Because this thing had a nice motor on it. I want to start the motor with the doors closed. And here we go. That was a really nice motor. Oh, it's like a really cool neon Boscov, like the one at Clearview. I think these opened the same year, so it makes sense. Any day now. I can't have Soak Up the Sun copyright this video. All right, there it goes, and that'll be it.